Welcome to uCertify Software Simulation. Our simulation lab is a virtual training platform designed to help you master real-world tasks and challenges. Software simulation immerses you in scenarios that mirror workplace tasks, helping you gain essential software skills, boost your confidence, and increase productivity from day one. Our interactive simulation provides access to commonly used workplace software including Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows, SQL Server. To get started, you can access the software simulation either through the course dashboard or from your school's LMS via LTI link. Open the desired lab from the lab list. Looking for a specific lab? Use the search bar or filter labs based on lessons. In uCertify Software Simulation, you will find these universal features. Using 3 dots, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and make notes. Click on the side pane on the left to navigate to other labs. Use the navigation bar on the bottom right corner to access accessibility settings and more options. In the right panel, click on the Activity tab. You will find the step-by-step instructions to complete the activity. Now, let's do the activity. While working on the activity, you can click on Show Figure if you need help. Once you have completed your task, click Submit button to check your performance. Under the Explanation tab, you can check your progress on the task and solution video for the activity. The Answer tab gives you step-by-step explanation of the activity. You can also choose Retry for a fresh attempt or select Reset to clear the lab and start over. When you have completed the lab, click Close from the bottom navigation bar. Now, from the lab list page, click on the Dashboard button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. And that's uCertify Software Simulation. For more help videos, visit www.ucertify.com/support.